First, my husband is starting by washing his hands because we want to always stay clean in the kitchen to make sure that we minimize any type of health issues that may develop from us being uncleanly. Next, you will see the seasoning blend that we decided to use, and we are going to use about half a teaspoon of each of these seasonings on each side of the tilapia. So first we're starting with the Goya seasoning, which is an all-purpose seasoning and it's found over in the Hispanic aisle. Now we're using some Old Bay seasoning, which is also a staple when it comes to seafood. So about a half a teaspoon of that. Next, we are using accent seasoning, which is said to wake up food flavor, and it really does. It really does. Lastly, we are going to use some Zatarain's blackened seasoning. And again, you guys can choose to use whatever blend of seasonings that may work best for you guys and your taste profile. Anything would be delicious on this, I'm sure. So after you have everything seasoned, you can go ahead and just rub your seasonings into the fish. You can choose to do this with olive oil if you would like. It would probably be a little easier to do it that way, but we are actually going to blacken this in some butter. So we just chose to do this without any oil. Once you've got that side done, you'll just go ahead and flip everything over and you'll do the exact same thing to that side. Once you've got everything seasoned and looking delicious, you can go ahead and get your hands washed and then place a skillet on high heat. And then you want to place about a tablespoon of butter in that skillet once it's at your desired temperature, and then go ahead and place that tilapia in the skillet. You will cook this tilapia for about 3 minutes on this side, but do not touch it until you're ready to flip it because you want to get a nice sear on this fish. Now it's time to flip, and look, here's the moment of truth. Ooh, that looks so good. That's why I said make sure that you have your skillet on a high heat so that you can get this type of blackened tilapia. Once you place the tilapia in the skillet, you don't want to move it around either because that also helps you to develop this nice crust on the outside if you just let it be and only flip it once. So we're gonna go ahead and cook this for about 3 minutes on this side as well, and everything is done. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if it looks delicious, let us know down in the comments below, and stay tuned for more content such as this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified the next time I post another video. Thank you so much for spending a day with Bae, and have a wonderful and blessed day.